In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data dashboard using Google Sites, Google Forms, and Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful skill, whether you're managing a team, tracking project progress, or simply want to visualize data in an easy to understand format. We'll walk through each step, ensuring that by the end of this session, you'll have a functional dashboard ready to showcase your data beautifully. Let's start by heading over to Google Sites. Your first task is to integrate a chart into your site. This is a straightforward process that begins with a simple click on the Charts option within your Google Sites dashboard. This interface is designed to make navigation as streamlined as possible, providing you with a range of options to choose from. Once you're in the Charts section, the next step is selecting a chart that you have already created. This means prior to this you should have a chart ready in Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar with creating charts in Google Sheets, I'd recommend spending some time exploring the different chart types and the data visualization options available there. After selecting your desired chart, move on to click Insert. This step effectively places your chart into the Google site, automatically maintaining the live connection to the data in your Google Sheet. As your data gets updated over time, your charts will reflect these changes on the site, ensuring you always have the most current view available. With the chart added to your site, you need to select it once more. This might seem repetitive, but this action is crucial for allowing further customization options. It's here that you can adjust settings to better fit your site's layout or your specific data visualization needs. Following the selection, it's time to add the chart to your dashboard with a quick click on Add. This incorporation is what transitions your Google site from a standard page to a dynamic and interactive dashboard. It's not just about viewing data, but engaging with it, making it accessible and understandable for everyone who visits your site. Throughout the process, remember that while visual presentation is key, clarity and accuracy of the data being presented are equally important. Regularly check your data sources to ensure the information displayed is up to date and correct. As you continue to use and develop your dashboard, you'll find numerous ways to tailor it even further to better meet your needs. By following these steps, you should now have a seamless integration of Google Sheets and Google Sites through informative charts. This allows you to present data in a more dynamic way, engaging your audience and providing immediate insights at a glance. Keep practicing and experimenting with different types of charts and data sources to find what works best for you. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and encourage you to explore further possibilities with these powerful Google tools.